All right, on this page, what we're doing is finding a slope of a line between 2 points. First, we'll find the slope, and then it's asking us to determine if that slope is negative, positive, 0, or undefined. And a reminder of those are here. They're also on your reference sheet. I also have rewritten for you here our slope formula, which says our first y-coordinate minus our second y-coordinate over our first x-coordinate minus our second x-coordinate. And that again is on your reference sheet, so you can always be looking at that for help. One thing I had suggested to you is that you use colors if you feel like you are mixing up which coordinates are your x's and which are your y's. So I'm first going to label my x's. I have x1 here, and then I have x2 over here. So when I am doing this formula, those are going to both be on the bottom. And then I have my y1 here, and I have my y2 here. So those are my two y coordinates that will go on top. So going in order, y1 is -1. And then from that, I'm going to subtract 2. I'm subtracting because the slope formula says to subtract. In the denominator, that's where I had my x's, so I'll have -5 minus 5. Again, going in order of the coordinates. So you'll notice that on the left here, I have my first coordinate, -1 and -5. And then on the right, I have that 5 and that 2. Once I've done this, it's just about using my integer operations. So -1 minus 2, -1 is getting more negative, so it becomes -3. -5 minus 5, it's becoming more negative, so it becomes -10. And because I have a negative over a negative, I'm going to simplify this and say that my slope was 3/10. And that's it.